Hi, this is Edward Troxel. In this tutorial, we're going to continue looking at the forum post. The first one was to do a select all. The second one was to group everything that was selected. And now he was wanting to select everything after the cursor. Now there's two different ways you can look at this. Do the events under the cursor count as after the cursor or not? So we're going to look at it both ways. First, we're going to select everything that's truly after the cursor, and then we're going to add the events that are under the cursor. So let's see how we do this. Once again, we get our myVegas equals Vegas, and then this time I need the cursor location. Well, the cursor location is a time code, and I'm going to get that from myvegas.transport.cursorPosition. Then I'm going to go through each track, my track, in myvegas.project.tracks, then for each track event in mytrack.events. Now I'm going to check to see, is the event.start greater than or equal to the cursor location? So if the event.start is greater than or equal to the cursor location, I'm going to set the event selected equal to true, else I'm going to set the event.selected equal to false. So let's see how this works. So let's put our cursor location right here. Now notice everything that started after the cursor location has now been selected. Whether or not this is what we want, do we want these events selected as well, is the question. So if we do, then we need to make a slight modification to the script. So here's our modified version. Once again, we get our myVegas equals Vegas. We get our time code cursor location from myvegas.transport.cursorPosition. We're going to go for each track just like we did before, for each event just like we did before. And now here's the main difference. If event.end is greater than cursor location. So if it ends after the cursor location, we're going to set event.selected equal to true, else we're going to set event.selected equal to false. So let's see how this modified version runs. Once again, with our cursor set in this location, and now you can see these events here were also selected, the ones that were under the cursor, instead of only the ones truly after the cursor. So now we've looked at both ways, select truly after the cursor or select all events that are under or after the cursor. And so these are going to start to be combined now in some of the other requests that he made. And so I hope you like these tutorials. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next tutorial. Please sign up at www.jettv.com and subscribe on YouTube to get further notifications on when new videos are presented.